here's a short preview of Meltper's newest series, Crunchers. Yeah! Bountifully, Brumla. How mighty we have to be to crunch this box of parts. If I were to say so myself, I say we have to be extra crunchy. Well then, let's get our muscles crunching. Ooh, that doesn't sound like some serious edge of a pain. It's not. It really not. Well, I'm glad it's one of us. There's no way we're gonna crunch this box apart. Yeah, we are. We're the Crunchers. We can crunch anything. Dude, that's a pretty much good battle cry. Oh, you love my battle cry? I love your battle cry. Listen to man. Yeah! Owie! Dude, that sounds so cute. Okay, I can't do it. Oh, I can see. You already got your gas coming out. Come on, let's do it together. Ready? Ready? We went too far! What are we gonna do? Whoa! Whoa! Hey, don't do that no more. That stinks. Sorry. Finally, in your face, box. Crunchers, don't miss Meltper's newest show, November 30th. To Meltper.